So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create our own measures in Power BI. So for this tutorial, again, I'll be working with this online retail data set. It has columns like order date, category, profit, and sales. Now let's say we want to find out the average sales that was generated using measures. So for that, go to report pane, right click on your data set and select new measure. Let's give it a name. Let's say average sales is equal to average, and the description is it returns average, that is arithmetic mean of all the numbers in the column. So I will just select this and we'll select a sales column and just hit enter. And as you guys can see in the dataset, one measure has been created with the name average sales. And if you see carefully, there is one calculator sort of symbol in front of average sales which states that it is a calculated measure. And let's see what it contains. So we'll just select this, and I don't want bar, I want, let's say, card over here. So as you guys can see, the average sales that was generated is 174.23. So in this way, we can create our own measures in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.